Alright, hello, happy Monday, third grade. Today we're going to be working with fractions of a whole and we're going to be working with word problems today. So let's review our fractions a little bit. Remember, fractions represent a part of the whole. So the bottom fraction is the number of equal parts of the whole, so that's our total. It is called the denominator. And then our top fraction is the equal parts that we're talking about, so that's our numerator. So here we see this circle is cut into three different shapes. So the whole circle is cut into three parts. That's our denominator. And let's say the white part is how it could be a cake, and Susie ate one part out of the three parts, and see that part is shaded white. So that would be 1/3. It's one part out of a total of three total parts. So let's look through an example. So we see the Blue Bay Pirates have found a chest of gold coins. Captain Sharktooth divides the coins into 4 equal shares. He buries 2 shares in a secret place. So now what fraction of the chest of gold coins does Captain Sharktooth bury? So the first thing we have to figure out is the total is divided into how many parts? The whole is divided into 4 equal shares. So the first number we just found would be our denominator. Our bottom number would be 4 because he took the whole chest and divided it into 4 equal parts. Remember, the parts have to be equal. And then it says he buries 2 parts of it. So what fraction does he bury? He buries 2 out of the 4 parts. So we'd have a fraction that looks like this. So our fraction would be 2, so the 2 parts that are buried out of a total of 4 parts. So that'd be 2/4 of the treasure is buried. So let's talk about how we got that answer. So here, the chest of gold coins is the whole. So that's what we're talking about. That's the whole, the chest of the gold coins. He divides it into 4 equal shares. So we know the denominator of the fraction is 4. The bottom number is 4 because that's the number of equal parts that make up the whole. He buries 2 shares into a secret place, so that makes our numerator 2. So that's the number of equal parts that we're talking about. So Captain Sharktooth buries 2/4 of the coins. So we're going to go through some examples together. Alright, so let's do this one together. So first thing we're going to do always is to read the problem. Harper and Chase are earning money for a new sled by shoveling snow after a big snowstorm. Their next door neighbor is paying them to shovel his sidewalk. His sidewalk is made up of 4 equal concrete sections. Harper shovels 2 sections and Chase shovels 2 sections. What fraction of the sidewalk does Harper shovel? So the first thing let's do is let's find our denominator. That's our bottom number. That's taking the whole sidewalk, and we want to figure out how many equal parts it's divided into. So here, the sidewalk is the whole. It is divided into 4 equal sections. So we know our denominator would be 4 because our whole is divided up into 4 parts. And we are trying to figure out how many parts does Harper shovel. Well, it says right here, Harper shovels 2 sections and Chase shovels 2 sections. But we're just talking about Harper, so our numerator would be 2 because Harper shoveled 2 out of the 4 sections. So Harper shoveled 2/4. And we got it, so let's try another one. Okay, let's do another example together. So first we're going to read the problem. Judy and William are having a picnic at the park. They have brought a small apple pie as a snack. William cuts the pie into 6 equal pieces. William eats 4 pieces and Judy eats the rest. So what fraction of the pie does Judy eat? So first let's find our denominator. How many pieces is the pie cut into? So the pie is the whole. We want to figure out how many equal pieces of the pie there is. Well, here it says William cuts the pie into 6 equal pieces. So we know that's our denominator is 6. The pie is cut into a total of 6 pieces. We want to see how many does Judy eat. If you have a piece of paper, you can draw pictures, but I'm going to use my fingers. So it says it's divided into 6. William eats 4 pieces. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it says Judy eats the rest. So I have 2 fingers left. So Judy ate 2 out of the 6 pieces. So that would be our numerator. So I did that where I took the total 6 pieces, They don't tell us how many Judy ate. We have to figure it out on their own. So I'm taking 6, the total, taking away 4, because that's how many William ate. I'm left with 2 pieces that Judy ate. And we got it. All right, so that's going to be it for today. Just make sure to take your time, and if it helps to have a piece of paper, you can draw out the fraction models as well. And have fun, and I will see you Wednesday. Bye, 3rd grade.